Hi, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number EQ-4541RB. This is your 12-inch long equalizer for your 2-inch wide slipper springs with the upgraded rubber bushing in it. Let's check it out. All right, so this is your equalizer for your 2-inch wide slipper springs. It's 12 inches long going across. As you can see, the height on it's 4 inches and the width is 2 3/4. It uses a 7/8 bolt right here, has the nice upgraded rubber bushing in it, and then it uses 9/16 spring bolts right here, and it's powder coated black. So what we did was, this is your regular one with your nylon bushing in it, and these things wear out all the time. So what we did was we made it better, and we put the rubber bushing in it, and it's also powder coated. This is a big upgrade. It's going to do a lot of good. It's going to last a lot longer. We also sell the replacement rubber bushings for these, so you can just replace the rubber bushing instead of having to replace the whole equalizer. That's great. We think this is going to help a lot. It's going to last much longer. So like I said, you use the 2-inch wide slipper spring, so a spring with the eye on one end like this and a hook on the other. It'll go right in there, 2 inches wide, and this is going to be great. Part number EQ-4541RB. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.